In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use the Compute TOC Widths command in GeoSTORM. This tool is used to calculate the EPA SWMM TOC equivalent width for subbasins, which is required to define the rectangular runoff plane dimensions. To begin, go to the Watershed ribbon menu and select Compute TOC Widths. This will open the Compute TOC Widths dialog box. In the Select Subbasin section, check the boxes next to the subbasins you want to process, or click the Pick button to select them directly from the map view. The total number of selected subbasins will be shown at the bottom. Once the subbasins are selected, click Compute. The software will calculate the TOC equivalent widths using the longest flow path of each subbasin. The TOC width is computed using the subbasin channel length, L, the drainage areas on either side of the flow path, A1 and A2, and the skew factor, SK. This ensures the equivalent width accurately represents the subbasin's geometry for time of concentration calculations. The computed TOC widths are displayed in the TOC equivalent width column. If the longest flow paths have not been computed beforehand, an informational message will appear prompting you to compute them first.